Hi, Jim Mazziotti here from Exit Realty Elite in Frisco, Texas. I am inviting you to take part in a fantastic free, no obligation webinar that's being presented by Rick DeLuca, who is the regional franchise owner of Exit Realty Pacific West on Wednesday from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific time, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. Rick's webinar is going to be on point. And for any agent that is wondering what to do next in this changing market, where do I need to go? How do I need to pivot? What can I put in place to help my business grow rather than decline? We all know with the changing economy, there's going to be real estate agents who disappear. They go away. That's great for those of us that are going to stick in this business, but it's important for you to know exactly what to do and how to do it. I will provide the link in just a second on how you can join it. Secondly, I want to invite you to a next day follow-up webinar, which I am doing with my Exit Realty Elite office in Frisco, Texas. Again, no obligation. There isn't any cost to it. It's just providing value to you from us at Exit. The main point of the follow-up call is we're going to be talking about Rick's 10 proven activities to generate business quickly. It's so important for all of us to know this. And the bonus is Rick has agreed to join us on Thursday for the call as well. We're going to look at which 10 proven activities you're going to put in place after watching his Wednesday webinar. And if you have any questions, Rick is going to be there, has agreed to be on the call to answer any questions anybody might have. And let me add one more screen if I can. I'm going to try to share this screen, and I hope it's up. This shows the link to get on Rick DeLuca's Wednesday call, https://bit.ly/excel with exit. That's the link you need. Copy it right now, write it down right now. That will get you on his call. It's limited to 300 participants. And I want you to remember, he's presenting this to 7 offices in the Pacific West who are part of Exit. He's also doing it as a favor to me for our office here in Texas. And I want you to take advantage of what he is giving to us. There's the link. And on Thursday, if you want to join the follow-up call, simply go to my Zoom link. You don't need to put in anything except my number to get into my Zoom room, 482-762-0067. There you go. You have it all. It's all available for you. And please join me. It may be the best training that you're going to get this year and maybe the most important training you've ever had. Join me. Have a great day.